our watermelon that's about to explode. We're going to put rubber bands on it. Okay, so this is how I got this out. See, what I did was this on the table. She went under the table and poked it. Yeah, right in the center. Yeah. So, and then I put the rubber bands and explode. And we're going back up also. Gas it! Whoa! Oh, missed! It's watery. That's why it's called a watermelon. I want it to explode. I don't want it to explode. Now let's watch me. You know what I want to do? I want to make a pineapple explode.
Well, that'd probably be really hard. This is that hard.
No, pineapples are soft.
Here you go. Alright, let's do two hands. Help me with two hands.
No, two hands is going to be worse.
Okay.
It's going to take a lunch break. I'm serious. I want a lunch break.
And
Back up, baby. Your face
and
is
a
really
gallon
close.
of milk. And the guy was like, "Do you have a rewards number?"
Yeah.
She was on the phone because you know, like they're charging $3. What are those hot things called? Now I can't think of the name of them.
Okay, thank you.
No, the hot candies.
Can I have one?
The little, the red hot, red hots. Red hots.
I know. Yeah, I know. What you
Oh, I couldn't figure it out. She bought like a lot of boxes of those and a jug of milk. I was like, "What are
That
you
is a
doing
really
tonight?"
weird combination.
It's hard to get a grip.
Pretty yummy.
This is a pretty
Try to
sweet,
use your fingers if you want, Anthony.
pretty sweet rubber band ball.
It is. It's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Yeah.
And it even has a little special core to it. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Little yummy. Pretty good. She what?
She wanted it to get in her face so she could cool down. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.